Here in Trout Lake, we're blessed with this mountain. Those glaciers are grinding the rock underneath them into fine, fine soluble powders, and they get into the water. We throw all those glacial silts out onto our fields, rejuvenating it every single time we irrigate.
The farm is located in the northeast of Brazil. It's a mixed farm. It has animals, about 250 heads of cattle. It's not diversity just for its own sake, but it's diversity because diversity brings interaction and self-regulation.
The way we deal with pest and disease in our crops is by using life to control life. We make use of insects that feed on other insects. We do it in a way that we do not break the balance in the populations of these insects.
When we cut our alfalfa fields, we never cut the entire thing. We leave a strip, a place for the bugs to go to. We don't want to wipe them out completely. Ladybugs will take care of soft-bodied insects. Green lacewing, they are basically the preferred beneficial of the insect world. They're considered the pit bull.
I think NUTRILITE farms already are and will continue being a benchmark for organic biodynamic agriculture. There's good news awaiting mankind because organic and conventional systems, they're converging towards a more sustainable way of doing things.
You could really think of biodynamics as the next step beyond, an extension of organic agriculture. Biodynamics tends to utilize even more of nature around it to create a completely closed loop.
I see a lot more of the social element being a part of the sustainability of the farms, because the farm itself, it's not an isolated unit in space. There's the people that live around it and the people that work on it, and it's working the social element into that sustainability. I think that's going to be the future of the NUTRILITE farm.